we've got one dirty dog on our hands.
That's not uncommon.
No, so our friend Tia came and we're at Gamble Rogers State Park in Florida on the East Coast, and we had a little beach romp with Pistol, and now it is her bath time. A dirty dog is not a challenge for us in this van.
No, and if you hear some rumbling, we are here during Daytona Bike Week, and we're like 15 miles from Daytona, and we got the beach here and the A1A there, and it's just been this constant rumble of Harleys going by. It's kind of cool, actually.
So it's windy, there's bikes, there's planes. Apologies, but we're going to show you our outdoor shower system, which is phenomenal.
Yeah, we've been using this for quite a while now. If you follow our build or the builder Humble Road in New Jersey, Irene found this system for an outdoor shower. We had a Roadtrek Zion SRT for 3.5 years that we were full-time in, and I love the outdoor shower, but it had a locking compartment you had to open up, and it had the shower nozzle and the hot and cold valve. And I love it when we're out in the desert and I want to take a shower after a run or a ride, just to stand outside and do that. And then it's nice on the beach to wash your legs off, but mostly it's nice when Pistol gets filthy to give her a really quick shower. So we're trying to decide what type of outdoor shower system we'd want to install in this van. And Irene found this, I think it's pronounced Aqua. Basically, inside the van we have an IsoTemp water heater. It's designed mainly for the marine industry. It's got heating coils in it, and that's mounted right here on top of the wheel well. And I didn't want to have a hot and a cold valve out here. I just wanted, when to turn this on, I wanted just bath water to come out and not have to adjust any temperature. So from the IsoTemp water heater, both the hot and cold lines come to a mixing valve, which we have adjusted to where it's a really nice bath or shower temperature all the time. For those that live in an RV, know that there's a lot of water waste from the cold water that's in your line before it finally gets to you. So here, when you turn this on, it's warm just in seconds. So what's really neat about this is, to turn it on, it comes with this. And what you do is you just put this in there. I won't do it because when you twist this in, water starts coming out. So this is designed to put a hose on and then have a nozzle. So we've not used this, we've kept it just in case, but Irene found this one and works the same way. But all you do is you line up those little nubbins, and that's it. And if the water pump's on, it's already warm bath water right now. The way we heat our water is the IsoTemp water heater has heating coils in it, and there are a closed loop glycol system that runs from the water heater to the engine where there's a heat exchanger installed. And so this closed loop glycol system runs through and basically steals heat from the engine when you're driving, comes back and heats the water in the tank. And it's amazing how fast it heats the water and how hot it heats it. It's super efficient. If you're parked somewhere for several days without moving, it's not going to last long. So another option, which we haven't done yet, is you can use the power and the inverter and use your battery system to heat the water. But we seem to drive enough here and there that it's and airplanes. Seem to drive enough that it hasn't really been an issue. One thing I haven't tried is, if we've been parked for several days and there is no hot water, I know you could run the engine, just start up an idle for a while to get hot water, but I don't know how long that would take. I know we drove the other day, we had no hot water, and I think we drove 10 miles, and we had very, very hot water. And this hot water we're using today is from driving 10 miles yesterday. Yeah, and 0 miles the day before. It's a really cool system, and I'm glad that George at Humble Road installed it for us.
I think it's time to give this dirty dog a bath. We have, for our outdoor shower system, aside from this, and we'll put links to all these products in the description box below, affiliate links. It does help our channel out if you shop through those, so we appreciate those that do that. But we use, is it a 4-foot hose? No.
10 foot.
10-foot freshwater hose. It's like a hose you could also use to fill your fresh water. So if we actually had to have an extension on our freshwater hose, we could add this on as well. So it's safe for drinking water, but we use it for our outdoor shower here. And we have a pretty cool nozzle too. This is our second nozzle we've gone through, you know, trying to find just the right one. But this one I think is a keeper because it's a really easy on and off.
And it's got a lot of settings for, I think she's hungry. So now we can just turn this on.
Yeah. And we're ready to go. Yeah, so this is easy on and off here. It's perfect to wash Miss Pistol.
I think that's your favorite.
Yeah, is it? It's like a massaging shower head. Let's do it.
Pistol, you want a bath? This is an amazing system. For those of you that have a van or an RV, what is your outdoor shower situation like? I just love the fact it's so clever because you're not using any battery energy to heat your water. And I like the mixing valve where it's just this preset temperature, because with our last van it seemed like I was constantly like, I probably used 5 gallons of water before I finally got the water temperature I want.
Yeah, this system works great for us, and as you can see, Pistol, I wouldn't say she enjoys it, but she likes being clean. So
it's the funniest thing. She loves laying in the dirt and get dirty, then she loves to take a bath and get clean.
I have showered her inside when it's been rainy, and well, that's a video for another day, but it actually works. For now, carry on.
Carry on.